Welcome to Invisible Bead Extensions Spring Break Edition. I'm going to be telling you exactly how to prep your extensions, what styles are best for your spring break activities, so don't go anywhere. I'm going to show you what to do if you are going to be doing an activity that does not include salt water or chlorine. So I'm talking about if you're going to go to the lake with your friends or go to the river, you don't actually have to get your extensions wet first. You can go ahead and just start styling, but here's a few things you're going to want to remember. Do not do braids, okay? I know you've probably heard, wait a second, I've only ever heard to do braids with extensions. I'm telling you, don't do them, okay? Before you do any type of style, Goldilocks Signature Serum is going to be the best thing to protect your hair. This has UV ray protection. It's also going to coat the hair. So go ahead and pump. I usually do about 8 to 10 pumps. I'll go like this, split the hair in the middle just like this, and I run it through this way. You want to put some type of protection in your hair if it's dry before you start styling. What you're gonna wanna do is you wanna use, again, a nylon type elastic, and you wanna fasten your hair as close to your head as possible. So you have a lot of options with different ways, but what I wanna make sure that you know is to make that ponytail close to your head. You wanna secure things like this, because if I was going to do like a 3-strand braid, because that's what everybody on the internet told me to do, this gets loose during the day. When you're playing around, you're boating, the wind is whipping around, this is gonna get loose and this starts to rub against each other and you're gonna have matting and it's gonna be really, really difficult to get out. So what I want you to do, say you wanna split it into, you like kind of the, piggy tail look, if you will, then take your elastic, go right here and secure it to your head, nice and tight. And then the best way to continue is to do bubble braids. This is gonna keep your extensions nice and smooth. It's not gonna let them kind of rub up on each other or do anything weird when you're playing in the water. So you would just repeat this on this side. Super cute, pull out a little bit in the front, add a hat for that sun protection, and you've got yourself a hairstyle.